Meaning of fiscally.
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 Fiscally. Fiscally refers to something related to finances or financial matters. It describes the management of government revenues and expenditures, including taxation, budgeting, and accounting. Fiscally responsible policies prioritize the efficient use of resources and aim to avoid excessive spending or deficits. Such policies can have a significant impact on economic growth, employment rates, and the overall well-being of society. Poor fiscal decisions can lead to financial crises, inflation, and other negative consequences. Therefore, it is crucial for governments to maintain a healthy fiscal position and adopt sound financial practices.